Well, hello everybody, it's Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel. And normally I'm pretty positive about these videos. I enjoy doing the videos. I enjoy the traveling around and showing you guys what's up. Today is a little bit of a cross video because I'm not too happy. And the reason I'm not too happy is because you people out there that like to dump stuff and vandalize public property, continue to damage our public lands, well, congratulations, you've won a round. I'll show you what I mean. This has been a great spot. I've enjoyed coming here for the past few years. Most recently, I've come up here several times in a row. And great camping spot up on the mountain where we can see Mount Baker and things for miles. But we can't do that anymore because the Department of National Resources, DNR, looks like they've finally had enough of people dumping their junk and their burned out cars and their garbage and leaving 16 million shotgun shells laying on the ground and doing other damage to the public lands. It looks like DNR has finally shut it down. So I'm really disappointed because this is a spot that's just minutes away from my house and been kind of a nice, neat little retreat to be able to get to. So I'm sorry if the video sounds a little whiny today, but this is the kind of stuff that upsets me, is people not taking care of our lands. You know, I did some trash pickup here when I came up on the mountain here earlier in the year, but this is something that's been in the works a while. This didn't just happen overnight. That's my rant for now. I'm gonna get back in the car and then we'll talk about stuff a little more positive, okay? Yeah, I'm kind of at a loss as to what to do with myself. I let it get a little bit late in the evening. It's starting to get dark a little earlier now. We're into fall. As I'm recording this is September 28th, so you know the month is about over. So 8 o'clock, it's pretty dark out here. Now tonight, or actually last night the 27th, tonight the 28th, and tomorrow the 29th, but especially tonight, the Aurora Borealis is supposedly going to be visible from our section of the state. So I was hoping to get up to Red Mountain, which is right in our backyard here, and look north and be able to see some of the lights. But I'm not going to be able to do that now. So I need to come up with a new plan just for tonight. I'm kind of flabbergasted, to tell you the truth. It's quite a blow to the chest. Just knocks the wind out of you. Well, I think that's enough whining for one session. All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks for putting up with my little rant here, my little tantrum. And I'll go ahead and end this short, quick, whiny video right here and now. And hopefully see you guys real soon out here on the back roads.